Do you want to know the 8 common career mistakes you could easily avoid if only you knew what they were? Well, today I'll share them with you. Mistake number 1, lack of clarity. Mistake number 2, ignoring transferable skills. Mistake number 3, skipping research. Mistake number 4, neglecting networking. Mistake number 5, rushing the transition. Mistake number 6, fear of failure. Mistake number 7, ignoring feedback. And finally, mistake number 8, not seeking guidance. Your story can be one of growth and transformation. And if you don't know where to start, start with us.